Well, the federal duck stamp program is the most important conservation program that the government has ever thought of, maybe possibly even in the world. Other countries like Australia have attempted to implement a program like this. And essentially, what it is, if you are going to hunt ducks, you must buy a $25 stamp, and 98 cents on every dollar goes directly towards habitat conservation. So the program has saved 6 million acres of wetland habitats, and every species of animal that falls under that umbrella of wetland habitats is also benefiting. And what we're seeing is a lot of the wetland species booming population wise thanks to this program. I mean, we've lost probably close to 75% of the wetlands on our continent as it is. So, as a birder, I pride myself on every year buying the federal duck stamp because I don't hunt. I don't hunt ducks, and it's important to manage animal populations. I am not anti-hunting by any means, but a lot of hunters pride themselves on the importance that they've played in conservation, not just with waterfowl, but wild turkeys would probably be extinct if it wasn't for hunters. And they played a key role in protecting these animals, restocking them in areas where they were extirpated.